quick fix: if you have a Xeno3 NeoPixel and you don't have a sound emitted when executing the melt effect, then go to the saberfactory.com. Bottom of the website there is a page, help and resources, where you can download a fix. Just replace those melt sound files on your SD card and it's fixed. Basically it should sound like that. So you can see the change of color, maybe not on the camera, but you should have a sound like that. If you don't have it, it's an old bug that remains through the recent upgrades. So yeah, just take the fix, replace the files, always do a backup. Thanks to Paul Stuff channel on YouTube, very knowledgeable, who found out what the issue was, so I could fix the bitrate issue and then upload the files for you. So go download them, replace them, do a backup. May the force be with you.